Hello all. In this video, we will see nomenclature of alcohols. Let's begin with nomenclature of alcohols. There are three different nomenclature systems for different types of alcohols. First, we will begin with monohydric alcohols. There are three systems of nomenclature for monohydric alcohols. First, common or trivial system. Second, Carbinol system. Third, IUPAC system. First, common system. Monohydric alcohols are called as alkyl alcohols. Name of the higher alcohols include prefixes like normal, iso, secondary, tertiary, etc. For example, CH3OH contains methyl group and an alcoholic group, so called as methyl alcohol. Next compound contains an isopropyl group and an alcoholic, so known as isopropyl alcohol. Third example, it contains tertiary butyl group and an alcoholic group, so known as tertiary butyl alcohol. Second, Carbinol system. In this system, methyl alcohol is called as carbinol, while other alcohols are named as alkyl derivatives of carbinol. The alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying hydroxyl group are named in alphabetical order. For example, first one, methyl carbinol. In this, methyl group is attached to the carbonyl carbon, so known as methyl carbinol. Second, in this, two methyl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon, so known as dimethyl carbinol. Third, IUPAC system. IUPAC system for nomenclature of monohydric alcohols. In this system, alcohols are called as alkanols. The name is derived by replacing E from the name of the corresponding alkane by the suffix -ol, ol. The longest carbon chain containing hydroxyl group is selected as the parent chain. Numbering is done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying hydroxyl group gets the smallest number. The position of the substituents are indicated by suitable locants. Example, CH3OH methanol. Few more examples of monohydric alcohols is seen in tabular form. In this, common name and IUPAC name is taken into consideration. First compound, CH3OH. It's having common name methyl alcohol and IUPAC name methanol. Second compound, CH3CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol, ethanol. CH3CH2CH2OH. N-propyl alcohol. Here the N stands for normal propyl alcohol since the carbon chain is a straight chain to which the hydroxyl group is attached. According to IUPAC name, hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon bearing number 1, therefore said as propane 1-ol. Fourth compound, CH3CH3. On the second carbon, OH. In this compound, the OH group is not attached to the straight chain, but it is attached on the second carbon. This is an isopropyl group. Therefore, by common system, it is called as isopropyl alcohol, and as per IUPAC name it is called as propane 2-ol. Next, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Since there are 4 carbons, common name butyl alcohol, and it's in a straight chain, therefore N-butyl alcohol. IUPAC name butane 1-ol. Another compound in this 4 carbon chain, but hydroxyl group is attached to the second carbon of the straight chain. This is secondary butyl alcohol, butane 2-ol. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. This is an isobutyl group, and hydroxyl group is attached to an isobutyl group, therefore known as isobutyl alcohol. IUPAC name, the straight chain bearing the functional group is considered. Other branching chains are considered as a substituent. So here the methyl group is considered as a substituent on the second carbon, and numbering starts from the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group. Therefore, the name is 2-methylpropane 1-ol. Another compound CH3C, CH3, CH3OH. In this tertiary butyl group bearing hydroxyl group in it. Therefore, it is known as tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of the compound is 2-methylpropane 2-ol. Now let us see IUPAC system for polyhydric alcohols. For naming polyhydric alcohols, E in the ending of alkane is retained and the ending -ol is added. The number of hydroxyl group is indicated by prefix di, tri, etc. before -ol. The position of hydroxyl groups are indicated by appropriate locants. Polyhydric alcohols consist of dihydric alcohols and trihydric alcohols. We will first begin with dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols are named as diols, and their class name is alkane diols. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH, and second one CH2OH, CH2, CH2OH. When we go for the numbering of these compounds, the numbering comes out as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In the first case, both the carbons are bearing 1,1 hydroxyl group, and in second case, carbon number 1 and carbon number 3 are having hydroxyl group attached to the carbon. Therefore, first compound is called as ethane 1,2-diol, and third carbon of 3 chain is known as propane 1,3-diol. E of the alkane is retained, therefore ethane and propane is mentioned. The proper positions on which the hydroxyl groups are present, those are indicated by the locant numbers. Since the hydroxy groups are 2 in number, therefore diol. This way we nomenclate for dihydric alcohols. Let's see for trihydric alcohols. For trihydric alcohols in this system, they are named as triols. Their class name is alkane triols. For example, propane 1,2,3 triol. C. IUPAC system for cyclic alcohols. Cyclic alcohols are named by adding prefix cyclo to the parent alkene. The position of the substituent are indicated by prefixes 1, 2, 3, etc. The carbon atom carrying hydroxyl group is being numbered as 1. Example, cyclohexanol 2-methyl-cyclopentanol. With this, we complete the nomenclature of alcohols. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye and stay tuned.